up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haylee and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel I share lots of cleaning motivation, home decor, and in today's video I'm going to be prepping my house for decorating my house for fall, and that is going to be the next video that you are seeing. And I just wanted to share me getting ready to just take down all of my everyday decor and prep for decorating. I had just filmed a fall haul for 2023, so if you haven't checked it out, go check that out. I will try to have it linked in the description box so you can watch where all of my decor is from. And so I'm going ahead and just putting it all on the table because I had already put it out of the bags and I didn't really have a good spot for it, so it just was going to sit here until I was ready to decorate. And then once I get this all taken care of, I'm going to go ahead and then pick up all of the bags that I had unloaded from the haul. I just scattered them everywhere because Waverly was taking a nap. And then I'm going to go ahead and start taking down my everyday decor.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading, why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
So when I'm going ahead and getting ready to prep for fall and take the decor down, there is definitely some decor that I will leave inside because I might use it, but there's some decor that I know I probably won't use, like for instance this hand towel. It's a little bit too summery. I have some like tablespoons and then some like florals and stuff. Those things I know for sure I won't use, and I will leave the rest in there, and then I will decide the day that I am decorating to get rid of those. But by taking down like that sign on the top of the hutch or those florals, it just makes it so that way the day that I'm decorating, it's not adding more stress to what all I need to do. Because for me, where I like to go all out for fall, it takes me a good 3.5, 4 hours minimum to decorate. And then adding on taking care of Waverly and then filming it, it just adds on so much time that cutting out this helps so much, and it makes it way less overwhelming, and just minimizing just that much helps so much. Even if I don't use all of that, at least I still have that as like a baser for what I can use. And then of course I'm just going to be taking down this greenery and the home sign because I already know that I'm going to have different things that will go in these places, so that way I don't even have to deal with it the day of. I can just wipe it off and call it good. As for these shelves, I'm going to take that family sign down. I think I'm going to take the clock, the elephant, one of the candles, the frog, the greenery, and then I'm going to leave the rest of it. And if I use it, great. If not, that's totally fine. And it's okay because at least I don't have to deal with all that other stuff now.
Now, are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now, 'cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible.
Okay, so I just got done taking that wreath off the window, and then I wanted to go ahead and take the candles off and the candle and the florals that were by that Miller sign, because I knew I wasn't going to use any of those things in my fall decor because I bought different candles. Then I went ahead and cleaned off the tray, got rid of all of my summer scents for all of like the soap, and now I'm going ahead and cleaning up all of the stuff from cleaning up Waverly's lunch. And then once that is done, we'll move on into more of the kitchen by just tidying up different places and just kind of rearranging and cleaning, getting the counters nice and clean. And I will, of course, before I put any decor down, wipe this down again just to make sure it's good and clean, because sometimes when you add all of this new decor, it's hard to end up cleaning it. And I really love having this tray with the knives and our oil, but I knew I wanted to use this in other places, so I took it away. But I'm thinking about getting something else like this, and maybe something that doesn't have like the grooves at the top, maybe something that's flat. And I'm trying to decide if I like the lighter color of wood or if I want it a little bit darker, so let me know. But I just think it helps like ground it and like keep it to where it looks more like meant to be. I feel like a lot of times stuff like that just kind of seems out of place, if you know what I mean.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let
Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the afters of the living room and kitchen with basically a blank canvas, just minimal decor, things that I know I probably will add in, and you'll probably see these again in the next fall clean and decorate. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video, and make sure your notification bells turn on so you don't miss that upload, and I will see you guys when I decorate for fall. See you guys later. Bye.